Hello again, my name's Max Huber and I'm here at Agra Environmental, and we're going to talk a little bit about taking samples today and how you take a sample. For instance, we're going to take a bacteria sample, and there's a couple things we do first. One is we spray the faucets to disinfect them. Well, we could use this, but we're not gonna. And you'd never use this because that's not what it's for. But we do have a 50-50 spray of sodium hypochlorite, which is chlorine, and we spray that on the faucet just like this. We spritz it on there. We get a nice pencil-sized stream of water. And then we got our special bottle for bacteria, which is a sterile bottle. I just took off the sterile wrap. And I just cut in there just a schnook. And I gum up just to the perfect 100 mil line. Right there. I don't know if you can see that. See my gloves? Everything's nice and sterile. We've taken a good sample. We're going to put it right in our cooler and rush it to the lab. This is important because bacteria is bad for you. And this is how you tell if you've got any in your water. I'm Max Huber for Agra. Thanks again.